Businesses try to provide distinctive and memorable experiences for their customers in the ever-changing retail market. This requires a tailored interface that reflects their brand identity and resonates with their target audience. Shopify POS, the leading point-of-sale solution, understands the need for a personalized touch. Shopify's configurable interface enables businesses to build a shopping experience that is completely consistent with their brand image, increasing customer engagement and facilitating a smooth transaction procedure. In this video, we'll go through the importance and advantages of a customizable interface in Shopify POS. The effectiveness of branding a distinct and consistent brand identity is critical for attracting clients and distinguishing a company from the competition. Shopify POS's customizable interface gives businesses a superb tool for incorporating their brand components into every aspect of the point-of-sale experience. Businesses can change color schemes, typefaces, logos, and background graphics to portray their own brand persona. Retailers may provide their customers with a cohesive and engaging shopping experience by including consistent brand aspects throughout the interface. Customers feel more familiar and trustworthy with a brand when its interface reflects its visual identity. This, in turn, develops brand loyalty and helps to establish a strong brand presence. Personalization enhances user experience. One-size-fits-all solutions sometimes fall short of meeting retailers' different wants and preferences. Shopify POS addresses this issue by providing a customizable interface that enables businesses to customize their point-of-sale system to their individual needs. By personalizing the interface, merchants may improve the user experience for both their employees and their customers. Businesses can improve productivity and optimize procedures by customizing the interface, menus, and features of their workflows. This not only saves time but also avoids transaction errors, resulting in a more efficient checkout process. Furthermore, thanks to the customized interface, companies can prioritize the most important information and actions on the screen. For easy access, retailers should strategically arrange frequently utilized items such as payment options or promotions in high-traffic areas. This convenience boosts staff productivity while reducing training time for new employees. Customers benefit from a customized interface since it provides a familiar and intuitive experience. Visual consistency and seamless integration of brand characteristics give a sense of cohesion and professionalism. Customers will be more satisfied and trusting of the brand as a result. Emotional connectivity and aesthetics. People are drawn to visually beautiful places, and shopping is no exception. Customers' emotional commitment to a brand is greatly influenced by the physical and digital aesthetics of a company. Retailers may create an aesthetically beautiful environment that resonates with their target audience with Shopify POS's configurable interface. Businesses can elicit specific emotions and improve the entire purchasing experience by using visually appealing graphics, tempting designs, and appealing color schemes. A high-end designer business, for example, can tailor the interface with sumptuous visuals, good typefaces, and a refined color palette to convey a sense of elegance and exclusivity. A toy store, on the other hand, would benefit from a lively and engaging interface with brilliant colors and amusing pictures. Retailers may create a fascinating ambiance that captivates and engages customers by aligning the interface with their brand's desired emotional appeal. This emotional connection has a long-term impact on brand memory, prompting buyers to return to the store and become loyal customers.